Hey everyone, today I will show you how to delete Threads account without deleting Instagram. And here's how it is done. Set your profile to private. Open the Threads app and navigate to your profile. Tap the two lines menu at the top right. Go to privacy and enable the private profile setting. This allows you to control who can view your post and follow you. Deactivate or delete your profile. Go to account settings from the menu. Select either deactivate profile or delete profile to remove your thread's presence. Delete individual threads post. Go to the homepage of threads, tap the three dots on a post. Select delete to remove individual post. Repeat this process to remove all posts if desired. Important note: the only way to permanently delete a Threads account entirely is to delete the linked Instagram account. Threads is tightly integrated with Instagram, and this limitation exists as part of their account management system. And that is everything you need to know about how to delete Threads account without deleting Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.